Welcome to the best picks. The best Crop-A-Dile is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. It allows you to easily create professional-looking holes and set eyelets in various materials, from paper and fabric to leather and more, making it a must-have for anyone who enjoys crafting or working on creative projects. And today, we are going to take a closer look at this amazing tool and explore its features, uses, and overall value. Number 5. WRMK Crop-A-Dile Punch. It's the ultimate tool for adding embellishments to your crafting projects. Easily add eyelets, grommets, and more with precision and ease. It punches 1/8 or 3/16-inch holes through various materials like paper, leather, and even metal. It's incredibly versatile. This handy tool makes quick work of creating perfectly sized holes in a wide range of materials. It's perfect for any project, big or small. With its sliding measurement feature, you can easily customize your layout for any project. It's simple to use and adapt to your needs. The comfortable, easy-to-grip handle makes it a pleasure to use, even for extended crafting sessions. You'll love how effortlessly it punches. It's part of the WRMK Keepers family of products. Explore other great WRMK products to enhance your crafting experience. What we like. It features an easy-to-grip handle, making crafting comfortable. Its versatility allows you to use it on various materials. If you value comfort and ease of use, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. It's easier to handle. The blue handle provides a comfortable grip, and the punch is very easy to use. It can punch through different materials such as paper, leather, and fabric with ease. The punch is also very precise and provides a clean and consistent cut. The eyelets and snaps are held securely in place and don't fall out. While it might seem a bit heavy, it is solidly built and intelligently designed. The hole punch with the markings for both centimeters and inches with a marker to hold your place was brilliant. The first time I went to punch a hole in my fabric, I couldn't believe how easy and effortless squeezing the handles was. It was easy to turn the dies for the size and type of eyelets I was using by following the markings on the tool. Once I got everything lined up, squeezed, and the eyelet was set. The locking feature is also appreciated as it will prevent my kids from trying to play with it and will be good for while it is stored away. Number 4. WRMK Crop-A-Dile 2. This amazing tool lets you add eyelets and grommets to your crafting projects in seconds. It's the perfect way to add a professional touch to your work. It punches clean holes in 2 sizes and sets embellishments with ease. The adjustable guide ensures perfect placement every time. Easily reach the center of a 12 by 12-inch page without bending or folding. It makes crafting large projects so much simpler. It's perfect for desktop use, but light enough to lift and use in hard-to-reach areas. Its versatility is truly impressive. It handles any material, from paper to leather, with ease. It's a heavy-duty tool built to last. What we like. This one boasts an impressive 6-inch reach, perfect for large projects. Its heavy-duty build ensures durability. If you need to reach the center of large pages easily, this is your best bet. What people say. With this tool you can punch 1/8 and 3/8 holes, set eyelets, and other decorative hardware. The instructions for the combinations on the tool are included for the different sizes and embellishments. It is very easy to adjust. This hole punch is unique because it has a long reach, which is great for bookbinding. The handle is ergonomic and easy to bring down to set eyelets or punch holes. On a flat surface, it is very steady because of the 2 non-skid feet. This tool can also punch thicker materials, so it is very versatile. Number 3. WRMK Keepers Crop-A-Dile Kit. It's the ultimate tool for adding professional eyelets and snaps to your crafts. This kit makes it easy and fun. It includes everything you need, the tool, 100 eyelets, and a handy carrying case. Get started right away. From paper and fabric to leather and metal, it handles a wide range of materials with ease. Unleash your creativity. The comfortable design makes crafting enjoyable, even for long sessions. It's built to last. Get professional-looking results every time. It's compact and portable, perfect for crafting on the go or at home. It's part of the WRMK Keepers family of products. Pair it with other tools to create lasting memories. What we like? It's a complete kit including eyelets and a case, perfect for beginners. The portability makes it ideal for crafting on the go. If you're starting out and want a convenient all-in-one solution, choose this one. What people say. Works so much better than pounding on a board putting in eyelets. The quality is there and this product will last for years. This is a great hole punch and eyelet setter. I have had one for years and it still works great. This tool makes it so much faster, easier, and more professional looking than bashing them with a hammer. Number 2. WRMK Crop-A-Dile Power Punch. This heavy-duty tool makes punching clean 1/4-inch holes effortless. It's perfect for all your crafting needs. It easily punches through paper, leather, fabric, and even tin. No material is too tough for this powerful punch. With its 2-inch reach, it's easy to access any part of your project. Add eyelets, grommets, or snaps to enhance your creations. The easy-to-grip handle ensures comfortable use, even for long crafting sessions. Plus, it locks for easy storage. This is just one of many great products from We Are Memory Keepers. Discover more on Amazon today. What we like? This heavy-duty tool punches larger 1/4-inch holes with ease. Its 2-inch reach provides convenient access to your project. If you need a powerful punch for thicker materials, this is the one for you. What people say. This punch works well with less pressure so it's easier on my hand. High-quality item. So well made. Punches right through thick cardstock with minimal hand strength required. Handy features include slide lock, raised positioning guide and easy-to-open empty punch tag collector. The punched hole is perfectly round and smooth. Excellent punch cuts clean holes in paper, pharmacy blister packs and sheet styrene. In use for years and works perfectly. I punched 75 holes in 1/8 styrene sheets in a few minutes with almost no effort. Number 1. WRMK Crop-A-Dile Punch. It's the ultimate tool for adding embellishments to your crafting projects. This versatile punch makes adding eyelets and grommets a breeze. It punches 1/8 or 3/16-inch holes through paper, leather, plastic, metal, and more. Say goodbye to tedious manual work. With its sliding measurement feature, you can easily customize your layout for any project, big or small. Perfect for precise placement every time. The easy-to-grip handle fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to punch effortlessly for hours. No more hand fatigue. It's part of the We Are Memory Keepers family of products, so you can find even more tools to enhance your creativity. Start creating amazing projects today. What we like? It offers the same great functionality in a stylish rose gold color. The comfortable handle makes long crafting sessions a breeze. If you want a stylish and comfortable tool, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This hole punch and eyelet setter works great. It is very sturdy and I love the color. This tool is so handy for my crafting projects. I love that I can punch holes of 2 different sizes. The eyelet setter is marked for whose side goes on the base and which side is for the top, which makes learning to use the tool very easy. Contrary to some of the reviews, it does not take much squeeze strength to set the eyelet. I have arthritis and use the tool easily. I love this tool. I'm sure I haven't used all the features, but consistent hole placement is something I don't have to worry about now. Once I followed the directions on my little pamphlet, my grommets started coming out nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.